learned about people, I learned from Thomas.
Oh, yeah?
Hey everyone, this is Al coming to you with a rare Friday video with some breaking news out of Orlando. So it's been rumored that Mattel, who's been opening up water parks and adventure parks all across America, has wanted to do a theme park or a water park in Orlando. Well, today they announced the address. I'll put it right up over here for you. It's going to be right on 535, which is the road you drive on, which has Disney Springs. And if you drive along that, it'd be the El Caribe and the Walmart right before International Drive. This is going to be really exciting. And I think I'm a little worried about they might not be able to stand toe-to-toe with Disney and SeaWorld and Universal, because all those have water parks as well. But it's going to go up by 2028. So let me put the address up over here for you to see it. What's going to be super cool is it's going to be done by Martin Aquatic, which is a little video here. This is some of the ideas of what they make. And it looks really good. I mean, this is going to be really high tech. This isn't going to be a little splash in the pond. This is going to be a possible segue into a bigger theme park later on. This Martin company has done a lot of things in hotels and for cruise ships all around the world. So I think this is going to be really an exciting thing. So if you're not familiar with some of the Mattel products, it's Hot Wheels. They own Hot Wheels. They own Barbie. They own American Girl. They own Masters of the Universe. A lot of toy and a lot of toy stuff. And what they're utilizing at these water parks, which is smart, they're dividing it up. They're utilizing a lot of Hot Wheels merchandise type stuff, theming. They're utilizing a lot of the Barbie theming, which I thought was great because the Barbie movie was just out a couple of years ago. And also Thomas the Tank Engine, which is really good. So they got all the age groups kind of broken down. I mean, I think it's going to fare very well. I mean, if you're going to, even though there's a lot of competition, we all know that McDonald's always opens up near Burger King, always opens up near Wendy's. So the business is definitely there. I mean, I think it's a little scary because, with Epic Universe opening up, I mean, all the major theme parks have water parks. You're talking every one of them. SeaWorld has Aquatica. Universal has Volcano Bay, and Disney has, all their water parks as well. Typhoon Lagoon, so on and so forth. So I think it's going to be tough going, tough sledding. But if it's a good product, and I'll tell you, the proximity is excellent. I want to try to explain to you where it is. If you've driven around Orlando, it's in a perfect spot. So if you've ever driven in Orlando and you get off at exit 68, which puts you right near Disney Springs. So the road where it's going to be on it's actually near the Lake Buena Vista outlet stores. So it's right on 535 and it's right before International Drive. So you figure if you got out on exit 68 to go to Disney Springs, instead of making the right, which would take you to Disney Springs and you'd make the left past the Mickey and Minnie sign, you would make a left at exit 68. And that would put you on 535. So this is right before International Drive. It's the main road. If you take this main road, it'll take you into 192. So it's a road you've been on for sure. It'll take you past Our Lady Star of the Universe Catholic Church. There's a lot in that area. There's also a Walmart right there on 535. It's close to the El Caribe Hotel. So and the big Marriott property is over there as well, right on 536. So lots of great things over there for this to make out. And I think it's going to do very, very well. That's my bet. They're saying that it's going to open up in about 2028. But at least now we have a definite time frame in a sense. We have a definite address. Next time I go to Orlando, I'll do a video literally outside the property to show you. There's going to be, I think ground is going to be broken in 2026. They filed the permits already. Everything is all cool. Everything's all good. It's going to definitely be over there. And they're working on a number of these around the country. So it isn't like this is just a fluke. They really want to become a major player. And I think it's going to happen with the debut of this park and all the other ones around the country. I think for sure. All right, so thanks for joining me for this very quick video. And we look forward to seeing the progress of this water park being built. And as I say, next time I'm in Orlando, I'm going to definitely view the area where it's being built just to show you a better idea of it. So stay tuned, and we look forward to it. Have a great night. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the future on Kindred Souls of America.